This is the video that will finally help you fix the no signal issue on your ACER monitor. If your screen stays black or shows no display, stay with me because this will make everything very simple. Are you also facing this problem where your ACER monitor shows no signal even though your PC is on? This usually happens when the cable is loose, the wrong input is selected, the graphics card is not detected, or display drivers are outdated. Many people get frustrated because they cannot use their PC, work, or play games without a proper display. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to reinstall Windows, change registry settings, or run long command line fixes that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I fixed it with one secret, easy trick that restores the signal and makes the monitor display correctly again. If you wanted to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple monitor and Windows fixes like this, stay connected with my channel Rexisht because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.